Hi
ang
guys,
magagawa
good
ko?
morning.
Afternoon! Mali, cut!
Yan, good afternoon guys. Yan.
Go up to the morning house.
Ayan, Saturday ito ng hapon dito, alas 4:30 ng hapon. Yan.
Papa,
Ito yung
what is
daan natin ngayon dito sa may Carson Street. Pauwi na kami dito pag galing sa church. Ayan, maganda ang daloy ng ating mga sasakyan ngayon guys. Walang ka-traffic. Ayan. Anong kinakain mo, Michelle?
Something wheaty. Cookies.
Cookies.
Cereal with chocolate. I don't know
Ayan, may
that.
sinili na guys.
Chinese food,
What? No.
yeah. King's Walk
Papa,
Express,
Mobile by T-Mobile.
Waba,
I don't know what guava means.
Arco.
7 guava. Papa, I want to go to Mexico to eat. Papa, I'm looking for Mexico.
You gotta eat burrito.
I can't eat burrito.
That's what they eat in Mexico.
I'm looking for them.
Maluwag ngayon yung kalsada. Walang,
Hindi mabuti.
walang ano.
Baka namamahinga ang mga tao.
Papa,
Pagod.
how is Mexico is the day?
Dito guys, wala
Mexico
talaga.
is-
Wala kang makikita ng taong naglalakad.
It's 3 hours from
Yan,
Hours?
puro lang
LA.
nakasasakyan talaga.
What is Burger Lounge? What is Burger Lounge, Papa?
Burger Lounge.
Ah,
O, ano sabi niya? Burger?
Burger.
lounge.
Burger rin namin yan.
Lounge. I'd say lounge, not burger. I say
Marunong na kasi siya magpasa kaya nag-enjoy na niya
Dollar Tree.
mga lahat nakikita niya. Oh.
Papa, what is super
It's a
grocery?
supermarket. It's a Mexican
I
supermarket.
don't know what that means.
The
Ice
name is Super.
cream. Ice cream.
Yan, you want that?
Ganyan yung
Hot
mga
dog?
lahat na
No.
mga ano
There's
ko.
one- there was
Ano?
Baka siya lang may-ari
ice
dyan.
Nang ano yun?
Yung pinapasukan kong trabaho.
Maaari.
Yan, o ganun lahat ang
Dodger!
items.
Papa, do you know some Dodger hot beats?
Donuts!
We live in there
Yan,
before.
hospital and
Which
best
one?
dito.
Your hospital.
Yan yung malapit na hospital dito sa amin.
I can see it. Which hospital?
Yan, Harbor UCLA.
Doctor?
Shell.
Not Shell.
Yung gasolinahan.
Shell. Michelle.
Shell gasoline.
Papa.
Yan, o, walang nakalagay.
Beep.
Nasa building lang niya.
Yummy. I want to go in there.
See, the line is long.
Papa, it looks like fun. Yummy.
We're gonna go to Santa Monica, ride the train. Yeah, there's a train station down there.
Over there?
Yeah.
But I'm scared to go down. Oh, Papa, I'm getting dizzy from the train. What is little alarm here?
I don't know.
Yan ang Carson.
They put some powder.
Welcome, Carson City.
Oh!
Welcome, City of Carson.
Yeah, tignan mo nga kung makano presyo dyan.
O yan, o tinan mo, walang mga kuryente.
Teka, sandali. 394. Tignan mo kung magkano dyan. Magkano?
398.
89. Mas mura pala dito.
O, yan na yung pinakamura na dito. Doon, depende sa location. Oh. Naglilinis sila ang Jollibee. Oh. Nililinis nila dyan.
Papa, what is this
Ah.
Springs mean?
Teka, dali lang anak.